Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save game progress on Subway Surfers. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Subway Surfers game. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can save your game progress by connecting with Play Games or with Facebook. In this video, I'm gonna save my game progress using Facebook. Tap on the Connect button. Now tap on Continue. And this is how you can save your game progress on Subway Surfers. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.